In this video, I'm gonna show how to join Spotify Dual Plan. It is very quickly and very easy, okay? So what you need to do, first of all, is to create an account on Spotify, okay? So you need to download the app and create an account. After doing that, you enter on Spotify, okay? Come to your library right here on the third option. And at the top left corner, you need to click on your photo and you need to click on premium plan on the first option. You need to click on the second option, see premium plans, and here you will see all plans that you have on Spotify, that you can have on Spotify, okay? You need to click on premium deal, okay? And the Spotify will open on your navigator. So what you need to do is click on this bar and select the second option. In my case, it is in Portuguese, but it's the same process. So select the second option, and here you can see all plans that you can have on Spotify, okay? You need to cancel your plan, and after canceling your plan, you click to join on dual plan, okay? So to make this, you need to cancel your plan, and if you are using Spotify free, you just need to sign the Spotify Duo, okay? Now if you want to join in a Spotify Duo, you just need to ask your friend to send you the permission, okay? I hope I help you how to join Spotify Duo plan. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.